Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna be doing a makeup on my little girl, Baba! This can be used whenever our children are going to have their playground demonstration or they're having a dance at school. So I hope you like this video and I'll see you later. Bye! Since they will be dancing under sun, I make sure that I never forget to apply sunblock on her face. This has an SPF of 50. I'm rubbing it all over her face gently. First, I'm gonna apply Sin from the Urban Decay Naked Original Palette. I'm gonna be applying it using my ring finger all over her lids. Next, I'm gonna be using Hustle from the same Urban Decay Naked Palette, just to give a little definition at the corner of the eye, not too much.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I want.
I'm gonna be giving her a simple eyeliner with just a little flick at the end, and also this gives more definition on her lashes.
A diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Adding a little mascara, although she requested for a false eyelashes. How cute!
Little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder.
I'm not gonna be filling her brows, just a simple combing and brushing, just to make the eyebrows look more neater. Adding on some children-friendly powder onto her face. Just lightly, not too much.
Papa, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Papa, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir.
Adding on some pink blush for a glowy pinky cheeks.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb.
And to complete the look, I'm adding on some pink lip gloss on her lips.
And everywhere that
I know she would really be enjoying this lip gloss because it smells like candy.
we walked
Notice that I apply the mascara first before curling the lashes. You need to let the mascara dry before using a heated eyelash curler.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere.
And the look is complete. Now my daughter is ready for her dance.